So as you continue to shoot, start to develop your own style. Shots that you like, that have worked out in the past, like practice them, get really good at them, get your own signature style. Don't be afraid to go out there and really shoot things. If all you're doing is looking at what these people are doing that's considered cinematic, you're never going to develop your own style, which is kind of like your eye, what you're seeing, and how you're kind of capturing it. So that includes not only what you're seeing, what interests you, but how you can shoot that. And that's kind of your style. So really develop that. Maybe you're an athletic shooter, you like to move around a lot, great. Maybe you're very specific on getting things in focus, then you'd be great at like depth of field or having these crazy depth of field shots. Maybe you're interested in kind of shooting more, with your 200 and getting these kind of like shots from far away. Maybe, there's any number of things, very dynamic shots. But just kind of develop that. And also be critical of your shooting. Go back, look at your shots, say what I could do different. Maybe this style is not for me. Maybe I should focus on this. And from there, I really think then you can develop your own style, which is useful because then when you go into a shooting environment, you're confident because you know kind of what you can do.